Hello learners, thank you for choosing to study with the manifested e-learning. Our objective here is to help you improve your grades in mathematics. Welcome again to our today's lesson. We will continue with the unit Algebra. We have been studying algebra. And if you remember, when we introduced the unit algebra, we say that we have four objectives. We say that by the end of this unit, the learner should be able to, number one, the first objective, form and simplify algebraic expressions. The second objective, we say that the learner should be able to work out values of algebraic expression using substitution. The third objective, the learner should be able to form and solve equations in one unknown. Objective number 4, the learner should be able to simplify inequalities in one unknown. In our previous lessons, I'm sure you are able by now to form and solve algebraic expressions. That's what we have been learning in our previous lessons. We worked out, we learned here on the board how to form and simplify algebraic expressions. I gave you assignments which you did. Today we want to continue so that by the end of this lesson you should be able to work out values of algebraic expressions using substitution. So we are now learning with an objective of the learner being able to work out values of algebraic expressions using substitution. We are continuing, and I'm very glad that you are a good learner. Some of you are good learners. You are attending the lessons, you are doing the assignments, some of you are asking questions. So today, let's continue with the evaluating algebraic expressions. In other words, getting the value of algebraic expressions. Valuing algebraic expressions. So, how is evaluation done? We can get the value of algebraic expressions using the substitution method. For example, let's start with example number 1. Example 1. Find the value of 3a minus 2b if a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 4. This one here is an algebraic expression. So the question is, find the value of this algebraic expression where a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 4, and we are to use substitution. We are to use substitution. What do I mean by substitution? By substitution, I mean we substitute numbers for the letters. Substitute numbers for the letters. That means where there are letters, we insert the numbers because we have been provided with the values of numbers. If A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 4. So we substitute the numbers for the letters. Where there are letters, we insert numbers. So that 3A minus 2B will be equal to 3. These 3, we've been told that A is equal to 5. So we multiply these 3 by 5. Then we minus 2. We know that B is equal to 4. So we substitute B with 4 so that we have 2 times 4. That gives us 15 minus 8, which is equal to 7. So the value of algebraic expression 3A minus 2B is equal to 7. So this is valuation of algebraic expression or evaluating algebraic expressions. Then example 2. Let's try another example. Example 2. Example 2. What is the value of 3tm squared plus 5sm squared over ts squared over rs, where t is equal to 5, r is equal to 3, and t is equal to 5, r is equal to 3, s is equal to 4, and m is equal to 2. So how do we get the value of this algebraic expression where t is equal to 5, r is equal to 3, s is equal to 4, m is equal to 2? So we come here and write 3tm squared over rs plus 5sm squared over t squared. So we'll substitute the letters. We substitute the numbers for the letters. Substitute numbers for the letters. So how do we value this algebraic expression? It's very simple. We substitute the numbers for the letters. Substitute the numbers for the letters. Where there are letters, we insert the numbers. And the value of the letters have been provided in the question. So we come here and do the substitution. 3 is a number. We multiply by the value of t, which is 5, times 5, times the value of m is 2. So it's 2 squared. 2 squared is equal to 2 times 2. Divide by rs. The value of r is 3. The value of s is 4, plus this plus 5 times The value of S is 4 times 4. The value of M is 2, so it will be 2 times 2. Divide all that by, supposed to be TS. This is TS squared. This is TS squared. TS squared. The value of T is 5 times the value of S squared. S squared. The value of S is 4, so it will be 4 times 4. So we have inserted the numbers, or substituted. We've done the substitution. We've substituted the letters for the numbers. We've substituted. So we can now go ahead and work out, simplify. These 3 cancels out with these 3. This 4 cancels out with this 4. 2 squared is equal to 4. We come here and cancel. This 5 cancels out with this 5. 4 cancels out with this 4. This 4 cancels out with this 4. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So the answer will be 5, this 5, plus 1. Okay, this denominator is the same as the numerator. The numerator is the same as the denominator, because they have all cancelled out. The answer here is 1. Therefore, the value of this algebraic expression is 6. The value of the algebraic expression is 6. You can see the procedure for evaluating algebraic expression is simple. We only substitute the numbers for the letters, then simplify. Numbers for the letters. We can try out another example. Example 3. Example 3. Example 3. Evaluate. Example 3. Evaluate A into BC plus D squared over B squared minus A squared, where A is equal to 1, B is equal to 3, and C is equal to 5, C is equal to 5, and D is equal to 2. D is equal to 2. So substituting numbers for the letters, the algebraic expression is A into BC plus D squared over B squared minus A squared. Substituting the numbers for the letters, the value of A is 1 into the value of B is 3 times the value of C, which is 5, plus D squared, the value of D is 2, so that will be 2 times 2. 2 times 2. So over the value of B, you've seen here, is 3. So B squared is the same as 3 times 3, minus the value of A is 1. So 1 squared is equal to 1 times 1. 1 times 1. So this one simplified further gives us 3 times 5. 3 times 5 is equal to 15. 15 plus 4. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Divide by 3 times 3, which is 9, minus 1 times 1 is 1. This should be equal to 15 plus 4 is equal to 19 over 9 minus 1, 8. This is an improper fraction. If you are to rewrite it into mixed fraction, 8 goes into 19 how many times? 2 times. 2 times. So that 2 times 8 is equal to 16. 19 minus 16 is equal to 3 over 8. 3 over 8. So the value of this algebraic expression is 2 3/8. So that is our last example in our today's lesson, where we have learned how to evaluate algebraic expression. How to evaluate algebraic expressions. And we have seen it's very simple, where you have been provided with the algebraic expressions and you need to know the value of that algebraic expressions. We simply substitute the numbers for the letters. The numbers for the letters. That means where there are letters, you insert the numbers provided in the question, then you simplify. So, having done that, it's now your turn to do practice. It's your turn to exercise. So I'll write the exercise on the board so that you can attempt before coming to the next class. Exercise. Evaluate the following. Number 1, evaluate the following. Evaluate the following given that x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3, z is equal to 4. So A x squared minus y plus z squared. B x y z minus y z over x. C 4 into 4 x minus 2y over 7 x minus z. D 4 into 2x minus y over 3y minus x. E 2z over z minus x plus 2x plus 4y over z minus y. Z minus y. Then lastly EF. F here you have F 2 into 2 z squared minus y squared over 7 into 2 z squared minus z. So that is your assignment. There are how many exercises? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you are required to evaluate the following algebraic expressions given that x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3, z is equal to 4. And as you have learned today, The procedure is to substitute the letters for the numbers. Substitute the numbers, substitute the letters. Where there are letters, insert these numbers, then simplify. That will be your exercise. Thank you for being attentive. Thank you for taking instructions. Continue learning, continue visiting our website for more videos, and your knowledge in mathematics will increase. You will gain more knowledge and skill in mathematics. God bless you.